time schedule to prepare for MBA CET is starting from October. As to when should you start preparing and what should be a daily schedule. Right. So we've been training students for more than 23 years for different entrance exams like CAT and CET. So the pattern for the MBA CET exam is logic, 75 questions, 50 con questions, to 50 verbal questions, and 25 abstract reasoning. Abstract reasoning is completely new for CET, but else this is the general pattern which is there. Now, generally, what is seen is that you can start from October, November, which is sufficient time, until December you can complete your syllabus. If you are starting from October, November, so you have 2 months, 2.5 months to complete your syllabus. So till December, try to complete your syllabus, which is possible as far as CET is concerned. Because from Jan, it is recommended that you start the mocks and start revising. So do revision a bit. Whatever you have studied, there will be some important topics you want to revise, and then start writing mocks from January. In February, we focus mocks, you analyze the mocks, and then pick up the area you want to focus on, because you may not want to focus on everything. There will be some areas which you feel that if I focus on these areas, going to improve. So selective practice is what is recommended, and that happen only if you write the mocks and know which areas you need to improve, which areas you don't have to improve. As far as the daily practice is concerned, I mean, if you are giving 3 hours a day, 1 hour for mathematics, 1.5 for logic, because logic is important as far as CET is concerned. I mean, there is a verbal reasoning, there is logical reasoning, there is so much of it. So reading is important. Read for half an hour, and maybe half an hour verbal exercise and abstract reasoning. You can do alternate. One day you can do verbal exercises, one day you can do abstract reasoning. So this will cover your 3 hours of preparation sort of every day, 3.5 hours of preparation on a daily basis. So be regular. That's what is important when you're preparing for these examinations. Try to make a plan and try to follow the plan. Right? Hope this helps. We'll come up with videos that will help you with regards to CET preparation. If you're writing the exam, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.